G'day guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you've seen it, that was Claudia, our newly adopted pet. Tonight, I'm coming at you with two $30 grab bags from Half-Baked Comics. There was 30 bags, $30 plus shipping for a chance at a 9.8 graded comic. I nearly wanted to break into it, as you can tell, but I got a little impatient. So I'm like, no, I'll stop myself. So we'll break into that. We'll do this one first. I'm already halfway there. So I think it's 7 comics. There was 6 major prizes. Should have brought me an off. Oh, and yeah, you picked your own number. I just picked number 30 because I think the majority of the other numbers I actually picked were already gone and Geordie had been too busy to update. Might need to get yourself an assistant. But no. If you have not checked out Half-Baked Comics, I highly recommend them. Get on them. He's a great bloke. So, number 30, there's a note. I believe this will say, there's the Half-Baked Comics card. This will have what's on it. Hey, we're at Half-Baked Comics. Hope you enjoy this prize mystery grab bag. If you have one of the 5 prizes available, you will have either a piece of paper stating you have won or the actual prize itself. Now, when I open this up, I've got a congratulations on the back. So, don't know what it means. Could have a, I don't know what I could have. I think we need to get into it. Wouldn't it suck if I've won the 9.8 and this is the first one? We should have filmed the other one first. But we'll I'm just trying to, I don't know, I don't know how to do it. So we'll well, you've all seen that one. We have Skull the Slayer. Jeez. Trying to find what year it is. Can't really tell. 30 cents, so it's got to be pretty old. I couldn't even think of a decade, but I'm going closer. So there's that one. It's pretty good. We have Image Comics. That was my wife yawning, in case you heard that. Apparently I'm keeping her up. So Image Comics, Allegra. Obviously never heard of that. I'll look into it. Claudia, what are you doing? Stiff with a Vengeance. What type of ad on that? That's obviously not the cover, but we got Marvel Comics, Warlock, Captain Marvel back from the dead. I bet you he was stiff with a vengeance. Next, Image Comics, Supreme. Yeah, like I think I would have showed off in the last Half-Baked Comics. I went and got myself a cool looking comic box just to store just these specific comics in. Next we have Marvel Mangaverse. Bit different. Oh. Got Doctor Strange, The Flight of Bones. And then just on the back, Tony Hawk, just saying. Marvel, Daredevil, the Man Without Fear. That's pretty good. Now, I've seen this. This is one of the top pulls I believe I've seen on the post. We have X-Men, X of Swords, Creation Part 1. Bit of a thick book. Once again, congratulations on the back. I'll pull that out at the end and see if there's anything on it. But yeah, what a pretty groovy looking cover that is. Pretty happy with that. So that is grab bag 1. I reckon one of the kids is going to be coming through that door any minute now because I heard a door. So they're meant to be in bed. So obviously we got a winner. Are we going to pick a winner in this one as well? Grab bag number 26. I think I just cut my finger with the tape. All just to hurry up. No congratulations. And grab bag 26. I feel that will say exactly the same as the last one. There's the card again. I will leave their information in the description below. So yeah, big shout out to Geordie. Keep up the good stuff, mate. We got more tape. Sorry, I just thought I heard one of the kids crying. I think I better wrap this up. Alright, so we have... Damn. That's a cool looking cover. We have X Factor with Beast. Oh. Don't have him. Don't have any of him. DC's Dead Man. Come on, Tay. Wake up, we'll get you some coffee. We're not really. We have Blue Beetle, Friend or Foe, DC. War of the Gods, Superman, the Man of Steel. Bit of a flog. Don't get hit by your tiny green rock, my friend. We have Max Comics, The Punisher. Next, Warlock and the Infinity Watch, The Invasion of Monster Isle, an Infinity Crusade crossover. It's pretty old looking comic. And then, last but not least, is the Uncanny X-Men. Witness the fearful fate of an X-Man. So that is it for my 2 grab bags from Half Baked Comics. You climbing up, Claudes? Come on. Come on. There we go. She took her time. Say hi, Claudia. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like the video if you think I'm doing a good job of these comic videos. I think I am. Subscribe if you're new and would like to see more comic videos and mystery boxes and pop balls. Once again, I get to fail and butcher the ending of this video. Tay has suggested to me I need to record the kids doing it and just play that on loop. So yeah, give us a big thumbs up. Click the bell. I've stuffed it already. And give us another big thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye.